Wrestling with a laggy, cluttered smart TV interface that takes forever to suggest something you actually want to watch, or staring at a dim, washed-out screen that turns dark cinematic movie scenes into a blurry, gray mess is an absolute nightmare that completely kills your evening relaxation. Basic televisions trap you with underpowered processors that can't upscale older content, leaving you with blocky artifacts, pixelated sports, and rigid settings that hold back your next-gen gaming console. The Sony BRAVIA 3255-inch 4K HDR LED Smart Google TV, 2026 model, K55XR30M2, completely rescues you from that mediocre visual slump, functioning as an elite, AI-driven home entertainment workstation engineered to deliver breathtaking cinema-grade realism and hyper-responsive gaming speed. Housed in a sleek, beautifully minimalist bezel design that effortlessly blends into any modern living space, this 55-inch powerhouse completely upgrades your viewing standard by inheriting Sony's legendary XR processor, usually reserved for top-tier premium models. Working in tandem with advanced AI scene recognition, it acts as an intelligent visual director, analyzing and refining every single frame in real time to optimize color, contrast, and clarity. What truly establishes its absolute bragging rights is the integration of XR Clear Image AI upscaling and the XR Triluminos Pro display. This heavy-duty hardware suite dynamically breathes new life into standard HD streaming and older movies, intelligently restoring lost textures, erasing signal noise, and splashing over a billion incredibly vivid, real-world colors across a native 120Hz direct LED panel. Engineered to be the definitive display anchor for your PlayStation 5, the BRAVIA 3.2 unlocks exclusive gaming features like Auto HDR tone mapping and Auto Genre Picture Mode out of the box, ensuring perfect contrast levels and optimal picture settings the second you boot up your console. Backed by full HDMI 2.1 compatibility, true 4K resolution at 120Hz, variable refresh rate, VRR, and Auto Low Latency Mode, ALLM. It delivers buttery smooth, tear-free gameplay with a near-zero input lag threshold. For movie buffs, it fully decodes cinematic Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos audio to transform your room into a personal theater, projecting immersive 3D surround sound through its internal X-Balance speakers. Anchored by the upgraded Google TV platform featuring Google Gemini, you can smoothly chat with your AI assistant for hyper-personalized, mood-based movie recommendations, control your smart home, and navigate an effortless, zero-stress interface, making it the ultimate desktop or living room centerpiece for cinephiles and competitive gamers alike. Click the link below to lock in the absolute best price. Drop a comment letting me know if you are upgrading your main living room setup or pairing this 120Hz powerhouse with your PS5. Make sure to smash that subscribe button for more home theater gear, pro-grade television reviews, and premium tech breakdowns, and I will see you in the next video.